Right. Right, let's see if we can get this on the live stream. What's going on here? Yeah, let's see if we can get this on a live stream vertical. Yeah. So this is just a test. We're going to be doing some live trading, oil trading in the future. I just want to get this so you can see it in vertical as well. Just trying to click this button here. But yes, trying to see if we can get the screen. Getting the screen's okay so you can see what's going on. And if we need to zoom in on the action, we can do so. And you can see it in your vertical format. That's all we're going to be doing. Looking through this, looking through the charts and seeing what's going on with the charts. Live oil trading. Excuse me if I'm a bit distracted. I'm just trying to sort this out. It's just a test. See how oil is trying to see how it's going anyway. Let's just have a quick look at the oil. Oil is rushing up to this area here. Look, it wants to take this area here. You see how it's rushing up because a lot of people have put their stops here, anticipating it to go down. Because if you look at the bigger picture on the daily, you can see that this area here indicates a bullish momentum has actually kind of dropped off. It's more of a seller's side. If you can look, he's been selling off for a minute. So people might have just believed he's going to sell off, so they put some stops up here, stop orders. So he's rushing up to get this area here taken out so that he can get some liquidity. But all of that is neither here nor there right now. We are here just to trade. Not too much technicals. We're here to trade. We're here to get signals and here to be disciplined. And once we get a signal, we take the signal and that's it. That's all we're doing. I'm not going to be talking too much. You can watch me trade live. That's all I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to allow you to watch me trade live. That's it. So if you've got questions and stuff, no problem. But let me tell you what happened earlier today. This here shows you a signal. This area here. See that? That's a signal. We would have taken that buy signal and followed it up for a 1 to 1 or a 1 to 2. That's it. And that's it. We would have been done for the day. Or we could have done this one here, which you can't see. Let's have a look there. We would have done this one here and followed it up. Maybe for a 1 to 1 or a 2 to 1. And if we felt a bit bold, maybe a bit longer than that. Maybe because look, from this signal here, live, non-retraceable signal. It doesn't redraw. That's the signal we get. This is not the stuff you find on the internet. So you get that here, and then that's 100 points from a 14-point stop. So that's like a 10 to 1. So it's there. There's trades here. There are trades, and we will get them, and it will be recorded live. You will see it. So I'm just making sure we can get the short version of this as well. I've tested out the horizontal version. Now I'm testing out the vertical version, trying to make it look as good as possible so that people can see it. That's all I'm doing. Right, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to test it and see if it's any good. If the live looks okay, I will proceed with it. If not, I won't. Okay. Until next time, I just thought I'd show you live if anyone wants to see it. But that's what we're going to be doing. Let's see if we can get it done. Until next time.